Hello and welcome to Freebie Friday. Hello and welcome to CaraBrandonCreations. I make digital kits, do tutorials for junk journals, dabble in mixed media, and love all things crafty. Come on and join me. On a Thursday, since tomorrow is New Year's Eve, I thought it would be nice to have this prior to that. So maybe you're spending some time crafting, reflecting, getting your goals ready. I thought it'd be nice to have the freebie ready to go. So this week it matches the reflections and aspirations journal. I have several postcards that I've created, some stamps and tickets, and some butterflies. You can layer these up to add. And I thought it would be a nice thing that you can, add some additional writing, or maybe you could make it a flip out in your journal. So maybe you want to add, some extra pieces, or maybe you want to make it a pocket, and then you can add a tag to your journal. It's really up to you. So maybe like on this page, I don't think I'm going to write anymore, so I could just add it here and then use it as decoration. I'm going to go ahead and cut some of this out and I'll be right back. Okay, so I cut out two of the postcards and did some stitching around this one, and I have one of the butterflies cut out. I'm just going to ink a little bit, and I think I want to add the butterfly onto this card. So I'm in the middle of doing the Let's Get Organized challenge. So I have some of my supplies tucked away while I'm getting cleaned up and organized, so I kind of have limited things. So that's why I didn't do anything too extravagant today. But let's find a page. Maybe we can add this here, I was thinking, and then maybe just like that. So super simple. I'm just going to add this as a little pocket. And if I want to come back, I can journal on that some more. A couple things are changing this upcoming month, year kind of stuff. Instead of 4 times a week, posting on YouTube Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, and Friday, I'm going to move to Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays with an occasional Sunday. I'm hoping that this will give me more time to work on digital kits in the next year. And since I'm doing some new things with the newsletter and blog, I feel like I'm going to have to kind of change up my time a little bit. So that'll be a little different. My posting will be Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And like I said, occasional Sundays if there's something I just needed to, like maybe it's a journal or whatever, and I needed some more time for the videos. And then I mentioned the newsletter. That will be the other new thing starting, hopefully, fingers crossed, in February, that everything is all set up and ready to go. But I will be sending out a newsletter, and that's where you will get the new freebies, is via the newsletter versus in my Facebook group. So if you want to get the freebies, you want to go ahead and sign up. I'll have a link in the description. I will still offer freebies in the Facebook group, but they will be more geared to our challenges. So take a look at that. I have one planned coming up in February. There will be a freebie, and then I'll just do some more random, not always on Fridays, but depending on what's going on, I'll still do freebies in the group. But those will only be posted in the group, where my typical Freebie Friday kind of things will be in the newsletter. Couple of reasons. People were like, well, I don't have Facebook, and how can I do that? And adding the links to the YouTube channel, I don't know, it's just kind of strange. So I thought I would do the newsletter. So yeah, so check that out, get signed up so you're ready to start getting those emails in February. And for right now, since I haven't launched it, you want to get this freebie still in the Facebook group. Hopefully that is not confusing. All right, well, and this kit is still on sale. through, I think it's through January 8th. So if you are working on your goals and reflections and that kind of thing, go ahead and grab this kit. I'm really liking working through it. The prompts are really helping me, you know, kind of think about things and remember things, good and some not good, from this past year. But it's a good, you know, kind of reflection and goal setting exercise. So, all right, if you have questions, let me know in the comments below. And like I said, have a wonderfully crafty day and a happy new year. All right, see you soon. Bye-bye.